Let's see how this works. I don't want to do it like Ponce.
That was
pretty good.
I like it. I like it. You know,
You're gonna change the score.
even Misfire Crisis is a great tank, but sometimes
Yeah. It's definitely what I'm used to. Cuban Misfire Crisis is
that's.
Come on, stuck it ledge.
Anyways, this is already looking at absolutely.
Yep.
Any lead with Sonic is much more of an advantage than it would be with literally any other character.
Yeah.
Sonic, fast.
You get to control the pace of the game.
And because he's fast, doesn't just not what you would think.
Yeah.
That compared to someone like Captain Falcon, not as fast, close to it.
Has to. He can't count.
Yeah, Sonic has like unreactable options, which makes him awesome at just like never approaching people.
Yeah.
Used to be a common factor with some characters. But
Yeah. Nice confirm. What was that? Spin dash bear?
yeah, reverse or like spin dash left or right.
That's like that looked inescapable.
I mean, yeah. Sonic is just incredible, and we thought he was bad.
Yeah. To be honest, Nadia is like the only like top Sonic I've played in terms of like kill confirm. So it's really weird like getting hit by some of the stuff.
Yeah, I mean, most Sonics just like the Nesh Bear at low percents, and then just, you know.
And then they just swing it. You get to a certain percent, they just start slinging the F smashes because they know it's good. But
I mean, it works, dude. Sonic also having some great edge guarding. Not sure is good. I mean, probably good against this.
Yeah. Although I did just see something that surprised me. It looked like Luigi Uppy beat Spring. So I'm not sure if that's the timing of when they both came out, but
Luigi Uppy does a pretty high priority, so that might make sense. But oh, wow. Cross stage. I don't think it.
I think Nadia was at like 129. I didn't think that would kill them.
That's not even. Yeah. And it wasn't a misfire either.
Oh, tag it. That's gonna cost the stop. No more jump.
All right. You know, Luigi. All he needs is a grab or.
Or that. No.
Almost.
Sonic lives us. I thought we were about to see a Sonic stock. Battery is running low.
Give a court.
I do not. This is Devin's laptop.
Oh.
No.
We are running low. It's all right. And
Thug Shaker mind control saving us with some power, hopefully.
the biggest clutch so far, you know.
Oh!
Excellent.
He's him.
You know, he is. And now this is even game.
Even game.
I mean, there is a percent lead, so Sonic can just.
Yeah, but Luigi likes that percent. Not anymore, though.
I mean, still likes it.
Yeah.
They're still confirmed.
I think I got it here. Where'd it go? It's fine. Oh, I'm trying to stick it in the fans. There we go. We're charging.
That's relatable. I've been there.
Big fourth throw. Percentage lead building, but
We're still
Luigi also still deals stocks. A lot of just jank kill confirms. But yeah, Spring lost to side B too. I thought Spring would be a lot better in this matchup. Grab coming short. What's the punish? That might be it.
Oh.
Looks like he was trying to
didn't
lead
pull the
DI
trigger.
out. The DIN made it a back air instead of desired result.
Okay.
Dash attack gets Nadia off stage. What's the
Very
leg trip?
awesome.
Ooh, up smash. Not going to catch the timing. The shield comes out.
I'm not really an issue in this match, so.
Oh, someone's dying. There's
So-
no way.
Oh,
Wow. It clanked with the down.
tornado.
Is that down air for Luigi? No
Down
way. Kill.
wow.
Game one goes to Cuban Misfire Crisis.
116 dash attack going at the ledge. That's great.
Let's see. Fire one. Right click.
All right. This is best of 3
Oh.
because I believe it's pools.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who got best of 3? This one.
One. Okay.
Now let's see what the. I didn't catch the stage pick.
I didn't either. It'll be a surprise. Running back the characters. I don't know what stages Luigi likes other than I know he likes Smashville and Hollow Bastion because of some
Luigi
weird
loves FD because you don't have any platforms to land on, so landing trapping is super easy.
Yeah.
I mean, against a character like Sonic, I don't know how beneficial FD would be for him. Sonic also likes that stage, but Luigi likes small areas, and it's not surprised going back to this. It's a bigger stage.
What stages does an intelligent human strike against Sonic?
The big one.
Down?
Down. Well, yeah, because down beats fair kills at like some
Yeah, true. The fair
ridiculous. Probably Talos. And then I think Bastion or PS2. I'm not sure. Maybe Devin likes one of those, or
Yeah.
likes PS2 more than the difference.
Around PS2. I know Devin loves Bastion. Good up B punishing the get-up attack. Early lead going Goldep's way. The Cuban Misfire crisis.
Sonic relying on you playing solid the entire time. Doesn't have any crazy cheese.
Wow, good discipline from Nadia Shield, but the down air just challenged the F smash.
Oh, there's the spring
Wow.
and a fair to follow up.
Fair closes it out. Now we're pretty well back to even, I'd say.
I mean, and one
combo, we are exactly even.
Sonic, not known for his combos typically, but he can dish some damage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Game.
All right. Goodbye.
Ooh, good sliding. F tilt. Extend. Keep Cuban Misfire off stage. Oh, wow. Rises with fair. Punish is going to be... Doesn't get the fair to extend the punish. Oh, good air dodge. Dodges the back air. That back air could have sealed the stock. Down air, going to be punished. Grabs. That grab sends so low. Spring isn't able to come. Okay, that's a Oh. Baits with the re-grab and does his spinning. Good parry. Back throw. Wow, it is going to seal it out. Now Nadia is resting with a comfortable lead.
No way, Ice Hour in the chat. Yo. Yeah, we got comms this week. Yeah. Don't be surprised this is a one-time thing. Unless you're coming, or
Maybe. But... Nice.
Actually, it's 9.
Ooh, tries to get the dash attack on a rollout.
I saw a little bit. Saw the tags down. I saw a little bit of the first game.
Oh, Bear gets Devin off stage. Timing the spring, not gonna hit.
I hope Devin can take the stock just so we can see like the funniest like showdown. Just like Nadia just desperately
not getting grabbed. Back throw kills. I know Devin really likes normal get him.
Ah, that's it.
Misfire.
It's a crisis.
NT. Game 2 goes to Nadia. Yeah, I think if that spring hit, it actually saved Devin. For the misfire, the spring might gave Devin a shot to tech.
Yeah.
Let's see. 1. Okay. Now game 3. Might be switched. Hollow Bastion. Game 3, we're switching it up, not running it back.
Luigi.
Guys, make the joke. Make the funny joke. What did they? No way. They went to PS2 again? Oh, they didn't.
No,
okay, I thought
they're
they did.
Not
yeah.
running it back. They're defying against the mantra of the tourney.
I don't know if it's like... I know Devin really likes Hollow.
Yeah, Devin loves Hollow.
I don't know if it's genuinely really good for Luigi or what.
I know a lot of those, like, I don't know how to describe them. The tech chases with the waveland. I think they work really well.
I guess.
I just remember it as the combo.
I feel like you'd want...
Here.
I mean, I feel like you'd want Smash over Hollow, but they're probably banning that.
Yeah. Sonic wants bigger stages, so Smashville's probably out. F smash catches the normal game. That's a huge early lead.
Oh, that's a grab.
Nice.
Oh, down tilt.
A lot
I don't know exactly, like, he got the downer spike. I don't know exactly what he could have got off there.
Oh.
Ooh, that's big.
Oh.
Doesn't dash far enough.
I think Devin saw earlier this set Nadia had held straight in, so maybe he was trying
Makes
to read
sense,
that.
yeah.
Ooh, good tag. This is definitely, the percentage is just building.
Ooh, the spring on the stage. Wait, that was
I
almost kind
expected
of
that
sick.
to force attack, but Devin was able to feel that.
And of course, the up smash causing the whack DI, probably an earlier kill. Ooh, that down be scary.
Okay.
You want me and Tim to go right now?
Ooh. It's put. I don't know how getting put in stage works, but no punish coming out. I wonder if just run off spring would have been optimal there. Still kills. Maybe down tilt. I actually don't know Sonic's moves. But still, he killed nonetheless. It was like 110. Ooh, nice. Weak nair. It's a slight extension. Nice percentage. Devin would really like to seal this stock with the air. Not able to get it. Oh, really nice read. Doesn't get the up tilt up B, but that was a really good effort. Wave land into the up tilt on the tech rolls. Oh, let's see if we get caught. Stuck in stage. Back air misses. Barely missed space. That air dodge is going to seal the set. Nadia's going to take it 2-1.